These particular elephants are of huge interest because they occupy Phalaborwa mining company. We're finding that these elephants are moving to this area because there's certain nutrients that are available around the mine that aren't found elsewhere. In the past 100 years, we've lost 97% of the African elephant population. What we're doing is critical to create an awareness and to let people understand the importance of elephants and how they can coexist with people and how they move relative to an expanding human landscape. It's important that we put collars on them so that we can monitor them and see how often they come to the mine. There's a lot of activity going on, so it's a way that we could potentially mitigate human-elephant conflict. 2 collars were very kindly donated by Peter Eastwood from Tanglewood with Blue Sky collar gazer, who I've been working with for many, many years. And with her Journeys with a Purpose, she's managed to help us fit collars in various places in Africa. It's a huge help if we don't have to fundraise for that, but we've got a group of enthusiastic people that come and participate and drives the whole donation process. So we're very grateful for that.